In this type of problem, you have to apply the law of principle of moment, and according to the principle of moment, sum of all clockwise moment is equal to sum of all anti-clockwise moment. So again I will apply the principle of moment. तो solution जब हम इसका करेंगे तो again I will apply that sum of all clockwise moment is equal to sum of all anti-clockwise moment. I will apply this. So sum of all clockwise moment, we will consider clockwise moment, so it will comes out to be 40 multiplied by perpendicular distance. This one is your 80 marks, this one is your 60 marks. तो ये distance हो जाएगी तुम्हारी 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो it will comes out to be 40 force multiplied by perpendicular distance 20 is equal to anti clockwise moment. इसमें आ जाएगा 5 multiplied by 10 से 60, व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ 50 हो जाएगी, क्योंकि ये परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस तुमको लेना पड़ेगा. तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना हो जाएगा बेटे, इट विल बी योर 50 सेंटीमीटर, एंड ये हो जाएगी तुम्हारी, दिस वन विल बी योर 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो अगेन 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 50 प्लस 10, मतलब वेट जहाँ पे भी लग रहा हो, दिस वन विल बी द वेट मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10. Now I will solve this expression so we can easily calculate the weight of the meter ruler. So 40 multiplied by 20, it will comes out to be 800 is equal to 250 प्लस का 10W, और इसको इधर ले आओ तो ये हो जाएगा 10W is equal to 800 minus 250, और it will comes out to be 10W is equal to, subtract it, 0 minus 0 5, or the value of W will comes out to be 550 divided by 10, 0 will be cancel out, so the value of W will comes out to be 55 ग्राम फोर्स. ये आ गई तुम्हारी वैल्यू W की, जो कि ऑलरेडी आंसर में भी गिवन है, 55 ग्राम फोर्स. सो इन दिस वे you can find the self weight of the meter ruler by apply the law of principle of moment. And always you have to remember only one thing, that sum of all clockwise moment is equal to sum of all anti-clockwise moment. So always we have to consider, first of all we have to consider the point of fulcrum, means किस point पे इसको fix किया गया है, and all the distance, all the perpendicular distance that you will consider, you have to always taken it from the fixed point. So you can easily calculate the moment, and then you have to apply the principle of moment, that sum of all clockwise moment is equal to sum